Welcome back guys. In this video I will demonstrate you how we can generate a JWT token using Java language. So let me just navigate directly to the Eclipse IDE. So I will be generating a JWT token using a certificate. In my previous video I have already demonstrated how we can create a self-signed certificate, and to wrap up things quickly and not wasting much time on the setup of the Eclipse, I've already created a Java class named JWT token creator, and I've already imported all the libraries which will be required as part of this particular demo. Now let us proceed. First of all, I will be creating an input stream which is of type file input stream, and here I will be passing the path of the certificate which we created in our last session. So let me just go back to that particular path. I'll copy this and paste it over here, and this is the certificate which I need to generate a JWT token. So I will be using this particular input stream as a certificate in my code moving forward. As of now, let me just uh, mention the password which was used to create that certificate. Just for the demo, I just used random values, so you guys can follow the best practices while you are coding this. I gave the alias name as client. Now I will be using the key store library to get the instance. I'm using the default type. Now I will be loading my key store with the parameters, which is my input stream in this case, and my password for that input stream certificate. Coming to the next part, I will be setting an expiry date for my token. First of all, I'll get the current time. Post that. So now I will be specifying the duration for which my certificate will be valid. I will be using current time for that. So I'll add plus, we have minutes over here. Yes. So I'll add 5 over here. And this will be system default. Now there are certain parameters which we need to set as part of creating the JWT token. For example, the expiry date, expiry time, sorry, for the token, and if certain alias are required uh, to be incorporated in that particular token to for the security purpose actually. So for that purpose, what I'm going to do is I'll create a map over here which will accept two parameters, string and an object. I will give the name as claims, and I will also show you the difference what will happen if I don't use this map. So let me say my subparameter is the alias. My second parameter is the expiry time. Oh, 1 second. I think this should be good. So moving on to the next step. Next step is generating the token. So all the parameters which we have set on top will be used now to generate that token. So I will be using JWT.builder to build the token. So first of all, I will be setting a header parameter where I will specify the algorithm we will be using RS256 as part of this demo. Then I will be setting another header parameter which will be type and known as JWT, and I need to set the claims which we have initialized on top. Then the next part is I need to sign, not set. So I will be signing this with the algorithm first. As I said, we will be using RS256, and I will pass the key over here. So did we declare the key on top? I think we missed it somehow. So we also need to fetch the key from that key store. So let me write that piece of code over here. So my key store name is key store itself dot get key, and this accepts two parameters. First one is the alias and the second one is the password. Okay, and here my key is passed. Then I will be using dot compact function. So as I said, I will be demonstrating first if I don't use claims what happens. So let me just comment this piece of code, and once I run this code, I get an exception saying that either a payload or claims must be specified. Now let's just uncomment that piece of code and see if it works now. So this is the token which is generated using the certificate which we created in our last session and the above Java code. So we also need to verify whether this token is a valid token or not. So let me just copy this entire token, and we will be heading towards JWT.io. And so let me refresh the page so that there is no confusion that I have set some configurations. So let me select RS256 over here. Here it is. This is the default token which is present. I will replace that with my token. So this is the one EYGHB. Let's just verify once again. Yes. So as of now, the website says that the signature is invalid. Now I will go back to my certificate path and I will open this particular file which contains the primary key, sorry, public key for my certificate. So I will copy this as it is and I will paste it over here. Oh, I think I did not copy this. So as soon as I copy the certificate over here, it says the signature verified. So this also suggests that the token which I've pasted over here is a valid token. So this is how we can generate a valid JWT token using a certificate and Java language. These are the jars which I have used for this particular demo. And moving forward in my next session, I will be trying to post a video how we can generate this JWT token in ServiceNow as well. So thank you so much for watching.